Welcome back to Henderson Heights, more laid back than a Cadillac seat. I like it. Here's Fiona Li. The sun rises and sets with Fiona. Apparently, congratulations on your engagement. You're a lucky girl. If you've got kids, they're going to be independent, aren't they, Fiona? They're going to walk to school, right? They can run free range the world. And I'll tell you what, the old Sturgis Road Bakery, you know that one? World famous for their potato top pies. They are gold. So, if you want the good life, very much on offer here today. Opening bidder offer. Who's going to see
800.
Good luck, guys. Lovely to see you guys again too. At 800,000 we are underway. Look, I'll take you. Well, who would like to proffer up an opinion north of that number? But at 800,000 in the kicker, who's got a little
900.
900. That's gold, right? This is not going to take long at all. 8, 9, and a million.
905.
905. Fair enough. 9 the quarter. Out of it now. Fee, are you putting on lunch for everyone else? Is that why they're all here? Just to see your good works at 925. Team 930 or more. 930, okay, 930. What about these three angels over here, ladies? Would you like to have a little flurry? No favourites, but right now, sentimental favourites here at 930. 935. 940, right on cue at 940. At double tops at about $940,000. What about that fellow with the designer hat on? Probably that'd be. We could get a deposit from that hat, could we? At 940. Now guys, that's below my selling instructions, but you guys are in the box seat, so we're going to have a conversation next door. Lovely couple here have graciously increased their bid from 940 up to 950,000 New Zealand dollars. Now on that proviso, time's up on the clock. Checkered flag, it's out. We're selling at 950. Last chance at 950. Well, team, you knock it out like the All Blacks did last night. It goes, it goes. Fiona Li, it is sold to you good guys at 950.